Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Veldog and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality food, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block I'm going to be making you guys one of the best sweet potato pies in the whole wide world. Hopefully it'll be the best. No, I'm just messing with you guys. What you will need, you're going to need a mixer, a bowl. I have here some sweet potatoes. I'm just going to put these in a pot. There's 2, 4, 6, and 7. And we're just going to fill that up and let these guys go for about, I don't know, about an hour until they get soft. Okay? You're also going to need 2 sticks of butter. Right here, this is sweet butter, so it's not salty. I have some vanilla. But it's vanilla extract right here, pure vanilla. And I have some pure lemon extracts. And then I have right here is some ginger oil. Just a drop or 2 of those, that's all. We ain't gonna do too much with it. Right here I have some evaporated milk, carnation milk right here. I have some nutmeg. And I have some cinnamon. Followed by 4 eggs. Don't mind, this is sugar. I have this just in case, you know, I need more sugar. I have a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, light brown sugar. I have a 1.5 cups of sugar right here, and I have some pie crust right here that are already baked. Okay, and I poke holes in them. All right. So saying that to say this, I'll see you guys in a minute. I'm going to go ahead and fill this up and let this cook for about an hour or whatever time it may take. I'll let you guys know, depending on the size of your potato. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. The potato cooked for about an hour roughly, and they're real soft. Now I just got to let them cool down. See how soft that is? We're just going to peel them and stuff, okay? That's all we're going to do, just take all the skin and stuff off. I'm going to leave that on the counter. I don't want it to get too dark. And I'll see you guys when this cools completely down. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. I did the rest of the potato. I didn't think you guys would want me to show you how to do every last one of them. So all I did was took a knife and split across that way and across that way. Then you just take your fingers, peel it off, just like so. Got any little black spots like that in there, you can go and dig that out or cut it out with a knife. That's all you guys doing. Nothing to it. Take this little part right here, cut it off. Cut it off, just like so. Get all this little black stuff out of there. Got that part. And look, it's so soft you can break it just like that. Alright, here's the bowl over here. Let me get rid of this mess. And here's that. Alright. Let me see if you guys can see that. Blend this up some. Here's my cord. I'll plug it in. I don't have an extension cord, so that's why I'm bringing it over this way. So, alright. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to start it out on low. There we go. Guess you gotta hold the button down a little bit. So we're just gonna go in there like this, on low, just to mix some of this up. Okay. You may make a little mass, don't feel bad. You just want to break up some of these chunks. All we're doing. So I could have took a smasher or whatever and did it. Probably been a little bit easier. think they might be good right there. Alright. Alright guys, this is what we're going to do next. See if I can hold this thing right here. We're going to go in with our sugar. Just remember there's a cup and a half of sugar in there. Sugar been sitting out all day. Yeah. Go with my brown sugar. Half cup of that. We got some eggs here. We'll go with 4 days. Alright. Always keep you a garbage can close by, guys. It's just easier for you. Won't have to be moving around too much. It's just helpful. Alright. And what we'll do here, we're going to go with this milk. Let me see, measure it out up in here. That's about half a cup right there. Let me start out with that. Half a cup. And I'm going to mix this. Go in like this. Okay. Don't worry about getting mashed. It's cooking. Okay. Alright, we're gonna stop that. Good gracious. I ain't never had that much problem with this before. Got stuff all on me. Tastes good. Let me taste this. See if I need some more sugar or something. We need some more milk, I know that. We're going to put some more milk in there. I'm going to put this butter in it. And yes, we're going to put some more sugar in. Gotta have the butter. Alright. So, I'm going to go ahead and grab this sugar again. Let's see, I said 2. I'm going to go with a half a cup now. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put us some of this cinnamon in it. Let's go with a tablespoon. Go with some nutmeg. We'll go with a teaspoon. That's it. We're going to go with a couple of drops of this ginger oil. 1, 2, like that. That's it. 2 drops. Half a tablespoon. Half a teaspoon of lemon extract. I think that's good enough. I ain't trying to overwhelm it. I'm just trying. Alright guys, the camera shut off for me. See if we can get it going again. This thing is a headache. Looks like it's about to stop. the better. Alright. Tasting a whole lot better. But guess what, guys? We need some more sugar. Ain't there something? And some more of this, let's see, there's another cup right there. Alright. I need some more. I don't need no more of that. Some more cinnamon. So probably like a tablespoon. Because I got a lot of stuff in here. Okay. Get some more vanilla. Alright. Tablespoon of that. Half of this butter. And I might need some more milk. So I got a lot of potato stuff here, more than I needed. But hey, I just buy another pie or something. But we got to get this tasting right. And that's for sure. Alright, let's crank this bad boy up again. Put some milk in there. If I need this thing to turn off, oh my God. This don't make no sense. Oh my God. That don't make no sense. Yeah, I'm done with this. Time to get another one. That tastes pretty good though. No thanks to that. Get all this stuff off the side. Oh, this gonna be a lot of pies. I gotta tell you that now. So, if you don't want to make a lot of pie, don't buy that many potatoes. Alright? This is gonna be, I don't know, probably about 5 or maybe 6 pies or more. Just depending on how you fill it up. Let's give this a taste again. Starting to come together. Tastes good. Probably need some salt or something. A little salt. And I gotta remember, you got I don't want to say. That's like a half a teaspoon. You got and I'm going to use my spray butter. You got butter in here already. It's going to melt down. But this right here give it an extra butter kick taste to it. So you're going to blind try it. So that's it on that. I think I want some more vanilla. I hope I don't try to use too much of that vanilla. Shit. I think I need a little bit more sugar. People in my family like sugary stuff. So we're going to go about that much. So, stir this up in here. Maybe a little bit more cinnamon. Yeah. See, I ain't anticipating for it to be this much. So what did I say, about a tablespoon? Cinnamon. I ain't putting no more nutmeg. Nutmeg go a long ways. Now you see why I wanted the mixer, because this takes a long time to do. So I'm going to go ahead and finish stirring this up for a while, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back. Got this stuff mixed up. I'm just going to put it up on the pot. Crust right here, just like that. I want to give a special shout out to my home girl, Feisty Girl. Feasting Girl. And it tastes amazing. I did taste it. Yeah, I can get about 2 more pies out of that. Sure this good. That over here. That's how much I got left, guys. Okay, let me find some. That tastes pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good. No doubt about it. Okay. Now, take this little nutmeg. Since I put some in it, I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on top, guys. Just a little bit. Okay. See that? Just a crumb. I ain't putting a lot on there. Just a crumb of the cinnamon. Try to hold it up high so it can spread out evenly. Yep. That's it. We're done. Put this in the oven at 350. Okay guys, here it is. Just took them out the oven. I had them in there for about a good 45 minutes. The other one's sitting on top of the stove. These are done. I hope you guys enjoy them. I would cut it, but it's going to be for Thanksgiving, so when they cool off, I'm going to just go ahead and stick them in the fridge and wrap them back up with some foil and stuff like that, okay? I'm just trying to let them cool off. So if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please like and share and subscribe. And tell all your friends to tune into Veldog Kitchen, where we'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. See you guys next time in Veldog's Kitchen. Guys, let's get cooking.